Today I'm going to show you quickly a 6-unit set that I've got from Kato. It's the CB&Q Silver Streak Zephyr. The set's still available to purchase from a number of retailers, so I thought I'd show you quickly what you get in it. In the set, it comes with an EMD E5A locomotive, Silver Bullet, and a baggage RPO car named Silver Sheen, another baggage car named Silver Light. Then there's a coach named Silver Gleam, and another coach named Silver Glow, and at the rear is an observation car named Silver Spirit. The product has the usual Kato very high quality, exceptional running for the locomotive and smooth running for the coaches. Thanks for watching.